Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Caitlin, and today we are making this do-it-yourself earring holder. This craft is intended for ages 13 and up. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is color our popsicle sticks. And like I said, you can do whatever color you want. You can do it all the same color, or you can pick multiple colors. Color about 5 sticks. And I'm doing 2 colors, but you can do. And then you're going to grab your glitter glue. Okay. And do a little dots. You don't want too much, or maybe you do, because you like glitter, but it is glue, so keep that in mind. Okay, and you'll just use your finger, or you can use a paintbrush, whatever you like, if you don't want to get your finger all dirty. I totally understand that. Okay, and there you go. So now you're going to grab your hot glue gun and the glue stick, and we are going to start creating it. So we want to do 2 triangles, so it's going to look like this, and we're going to glue it all together. Just like this. Okay. Okay, so there's 1 triangle, and then on to the next one. Okay. So now what we are going to do is glue the glitter sticks across the triangles. So 1 little bit of glue right there, a little bit right there on the other side, and there you go. Okay. All right, and you're gonna just keep on going all the way until you get all your sticks across, just like that. And when you are done, it's going to look like this. And see, I already got a little bit of earrings on here. Well, thank you for joining us for Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Be sure to share your work online using #ILoveHPL. See you next time.